no drip this. What? Tell them run it up.
This monolight is the best thing I've gotten as a photographer. It's come in the clutch so many times when I'm fighting the sun, beating the hell out of me with the sun without this. So I love this thing, but last week me and Jordan had a little bit of an accident and it fell over. And if you could just see, like right here at the bottom, it broke. So I did what anybody would do, got me a new one. But I've never changed this out before, so hopefully I don't break anything. And it's expensive. Ugh. And now, for the moment of truth. Hope I got some juice. Okay. All right. I have some juice and woo! Okay, yeah, that works. Oh, that's really bright. Okay, it works. So yeah, guys, I think we're good. Got the light back working. When the people that you're working with are about that model life, I hope the people don't come, because we're gonna get in trouble. You gonna stay out there on the island or you gonna come back? You wanna get close to the edge. When people wanna die for the shot, I tell you. You ready? That's the pose? All right. See, ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you get fresh and then you have to crawl back. Do you need a hand? And then you get pictures of them acting a mess. Ooh, another shot. There's always a shot to be had. Look at the sky. $5 if you guys can guess what I'm shooting on. All right. You want that one? That's actually pretty dope. Viewership be damned. Let me get in closer. And just let me get even closer still. Your body's not gonna be in the shot at all. This is all face. So give me like some pouty stuff going on. Oh my God, you gotta look down because I have this purse. I swear. Oh, that's funny, huh? People got jokes because they 80 feet tall. So, what do you... I'm not going into the edge because that looks... Where are you talking about going? Oh, where, in the rocks?
No,
on this ledge.
Yeah.
That ledge is up, like far.
I'm not gonna fall. Tell me it was. This would be a great shot.
Y'all saw me tell her no. Oh yeah, I said you was gonna tell me to hold your drink. No, you're just gonna tell me to hold your purse. Then you're gonna do something crazy. Hold my purse, do something crazy. If you don't pay attention, you're gonna get a lot more than dirty. Let me see if I can get a shot showing more of the background. Hold on. All right, there we go. That was me and my partner Quinn, one of the featured models here at Onell Media. And if you guys would like to do any work with her, just send me a message, like, comment, subscribe, then send me a message, and then I'll get in contact with her, exchange information. She's great to work with. And one of the best things about working with her is she isn't afraid to find the location. When I say she isn't afraid to find a location, she does daring things to get pictures that we wouldn't normally get. So you have to think outside of the box and be willing to take a few risks. So there you have it. When you're looking for a location, don't be afraid to take risks. There may be a situation where might be some security there, might be police there. When you're looking for a location, you just have to be able to take those risks. You have to be willing to take those risks and say, you know what, I'm gonna try and get some shots in this location. If I can't, oh well, can't get it. If I can, I will. So finding the best location sometimes means you have to be a daredevil. And right here, we're all daredevils. And if you're a daredevil like I'm a daredevil, like, subscribe, then ring the bell notifications, because you want to know what's happening every time I drop a video. Like, BOW!